Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese cream, easy method. Start by chilling the mixing bowl in beaters, then soften cream cheese slightly but keep it cool. Measure heavy cream and a pinch of salt, and keep ingredients nearby so you stay efficient. I will guide you step by step through whipping, folding, and adjusting sweetness, so your cheese cream is smooth, spreadable, and perfectly balanced for desserts and toast. Gather 8 ounces of full-fat cream cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, plus a pinch of salt. Make sure the cream cheese is slightly softened so it blends smoothly without melting. Keep tools cold and measure ingredients precisely to control texture. I will show how small tweaks in sweetness and cream change consistency, and how to fix common issues like graininess or runniness with simple. Begin by beating the cream cheese until it is completely smooth and lump-free. Whip the heavy cream separately to soft peaks, then fold it gently into the cheese to keep the mixture airy. Taste and add powdered sugar or vanilla as needed, then chill for at least 20 minutes to let it set. I will explain timing and technique so you get a light, stable cheese cream perfect for piping or spreading on cakes and pastries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.